Hi there, students. Let's take a look at the paper that is due Wednesday, October 4th. If you go into assignments, you see it right there, country and culture. Everybody selected a country to research. It's due by midnight on Wednesday. You wrote it out on a Word document or Google document to check for spelling and grammar. And then when you copy and paste it, paste is on your computer board. It says control and then V, and that's how you paste. All right, let's begin. Information to know. Read the open response sections carefully. Write sentences as directed. If it says 6 sentences, guess what? I actually count them. Okay, and please put your responses in your own words. You're going to put the link to the website you used. I don't want to click on that and find out you just copy and pasted. No, please put things in your own words. As you go along, you can click Save All Answers, but then when you're done, you hit Save and Submit. All your questions are right here. Brief background on the history of the country. 2 images of maps. You copy the map and then you come over here, hit paste. If you have trouble with that, sometimes folks do have trouble with it. Let me know. I can help you. Norms and folkways. Okay. Culture crossing. Let me pull that up right now. You go to the website. I gave you this website, culturecrossing.net. In this purplish box, you put the country. So imagine you were going to put United States. Click United States. Now see, it says United States. Scroll down here. This has got all the norms. Imagine I want to do norms that had to do with communication style. I click on it and it's right here. And we use words like great and awesome a lot. Gestures. That's what we do with our hands when we're talking. The OK is a thumbs up sign. Don't raise the middle finger. Things like that. It's plenty of good information right here, and you incorporate that into your paper. Let's go back to the directions. That was question 3. Question 4, individualistic or collectivistic? Okay, I'm going to show you what that's about. So Hofstede wrote this thing called Cultural Dimensions, and there's all different things: power, distance index, uncertainty avoidance index. We're not doing any of that. We're only doing this one. Individualism versus collectivism. Basically, are you out for yourselves, or is your primary concern the community? And even though it's case by case, it might be different. Countries and cultures have a primary thing that they do in their culture. What about the country you selected? So how do you find out? Go to Google, and you see right here in Google, I wrote USA. Well, maybe you can see it, maybe you can't. I wrote USA, collectivistic or individualistic, and then different things pop up. And then you click on it, and you get enough information to write a paragraph, and you give me the link to the website. Don't give me the link to the Google search. That's not helpful. Give me a link to the actual website that you clicked on. All right. And let me go back, make sure I didn't miss anything. Scrolling down. Here you pick a topic of your choice: government, art, healthcare, education. Still regarding that same country. You don't switch countries halfway through. Stick with the same country the whole way. Special holiday or celebration. Then the last one's just a fun one. You're popping into that country for one day. What city or town do you want to visit? What would you see there? What would you eat? The example I gave in class was, if my country was France, I would go to Paris, see the Eiffel Tower, and eat a croissant. Something like that. And you're going to put a minimum of 6 sentences, and you're going to put a link to the tourism website you went to. All right. Email me with questions.